Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a long-term savings plan with Chime, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather your income details, including all sources of revenue. Next, list your monthly expenses to understand your spending habits. Identify essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Separate these from non-essential expenses like dining out and entertainment. Determine how much you can realistically save each month. Consider setting a specific savings goal, like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation. Download the Chime app if you haven't already. Create an account by providing the necessary personal information. Link your existing bank account to facilitate transfers. Set up direct deposit for your paycheck directly into your Chime account. This will help you automate your savings. Utilize Chime's round UPS feature to save small amounts automatically. Every time you make a purchase, Chime will round it up to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Explore Chime's save account options when you're ready to earn interest. Choose a percentage of each paycheck to automatically transfer into this account. Make it a habit to review your savings and spending each month. Adjust your budget as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Consider using Chime's Goals feature to track specific savings targets. Set timelines for your goals to keep you motivated. Regularly check the progress towards your savings goals in the app. Take advantage of financial education resources offered by Chime. As your circumstances change, revisit and adjust your long-term savings plan. This can help you stay focused on your financial journey. Stay consistent and patient as you build your savings over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.